Let's open the diagram and update the progress. I go to my folder with the project. I open Terraform diagrams. Zoom out to see everything. I unlock the input variables chapter, and let's summarize. We created all these types of variables: a string, a number, a boolean, a list, a map, an object. Also, we provided a description for the variable. We wrote the default value. We wrote sensitive values. We also checked the validation, and we provided the values through CLI, through environment variables, and through a file on the disk. Also about the files, I didn't mention that when you want, you can provide many options with the var files. For example, you have several Terraform variables files. You can Terraform TFVars files. You can provide many of them. Let's save the changes in the diagram. And now, once I have the diagram updated, I want to destroy all the resources I created in AWS. So I open the terminal. I go to the input variables folder. I clear the terminal, and right here I write Terraform destroy. I don't want to provide those values, so I press Ctrl+C to cancel. I clear the terminal again. I press the up arrow to find the last Terraform apply command. I delete the policy count. I remove the apply, and instead of apply, I write destroy. Enter. For the sensitive value, I write anything I want. Doesn't matter what I write here because it will be destroyed. Enter. Let it think. And look what's going on. Terraform is going to destroy two resources. It will destroy the SSM parameter, and it will destroy the policy string. Write yes to approve and press enter. Everything was destroyed. Let's go to AWS. I go to parameter store, and I don't see any parameter here because I don't have a parameter. I go to policies. I refresh the page. I select filter by type, and I don't see customer managed, so it means my policy string was also destroyed. Let's check the Terraform state file. Open it. And it's almost empty. I only have two input variables defined here. That's this one. But I don't have resources. And it means there are no resources tracked by Terraform. Let's delete the Terraform folders because I will not use them. That folder .terraform, I will delete it. Very good. Another file I want to delete is Terraform log.hcl. Right click and delete. Another file I want to delete is Terraform state. Delete. And the last one is Terraform state backup. I will just open it for a second. And here is the list of resources I had before the deletion. It is SSM parameter and policy string. I don't need the file, so I close it and delete it. I want to clean my credentials from providers TF. Delete it. Delete it. Save the file. Let's check Git changes. What happened here? No Terraform file was changed, which is good. Now I open the diagram. I will show it to you again. And it was all. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and consider donating to me on ko-fi.com. I really need your support to create more videos. Thank you for watching.